10 smart money moves to build wealth in 2026. Happy New Year! As we kick off 2026, it's a perfect time to reset your finances. With potential interest rate cuts on the horizon, new retirement limits, and ongoing trends like AI-driven growth, these 10 actionable moves can help you build real wealth, whether you're in the US or UK. 1. Build or boost your emergency fund. Start with a safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a liquid account. With economic uncertainty lingering, 84% of Americans are prioritizing this in 2026. 2. Lock in high-yield savings rates now. Rates are still attractive, up to 4 to 5% APY in early 2026, but expected Fed cuts could lower them. Move cash to a high-yield account before yields drop further. 3. Max out retirement contributions. New limits. US 401k up to $24,500, plus catch-up for 50+. IRA $7,500. UK. Use your full £20,000 ISA allowance. Tax-free growth. Note cash ISA changes coming in 2027. 4. Pay down high-interest debt aggressively. Credit card rates remain high. Focus here first for guaranteed returns better than most investments. 5. Create a realistic budget and automate savings. Track spending, cut waste, and automate transfers to savings or investments. Small, consistent habits compound big. 6. Start or scale a side hustle. Leverage skills for extra income. Freelancing, writing, design, virtual assistants, AI tools tutoring, or online gigs. Many earn $500 plus monthly from home. 7. Invest in broad markets and AI trends. Diversify into index funds or ETFs. AI infrastructure, chips, data centers, and related sectors like utilities are poised for growth in 2026. 8. Review and optimize taxes. Harvest losses, maximize deductions, or consider Roth conversions. In the UK, watch dividend tax rises from April. 9. Rebalance your portfolio. Shift to align with goals. More stocks if young, bonds for stability. Consider alternatives like commodities for AI demand, e.g. copper. 10. Educate yourself and set specific goals. Read finance resources. Track progress quarterly. Make goals smart, e.g. save $10,000 in HYSA by year-end. Important disclaimer. This is educational content only, not personalized financial advice. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Consult a professional advisor for your situation. Markets involve risk, including loss of principal. Implement these moves consistently, and 2026 could be your strongest financial year yet. Subscribe to WealthForge Official for more tips. Rock it!